Upgrading your home doesn't always mean spending a lot of money. I have listed the best 20 budget-friendly Amazon gadgets that can add more comfort, function, and style to your space without breaking the bank. These are useful and affordable items that can make a real difference in your daily routine. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Hanwha Bamboo Steamer Liner. Featuring 10-inch diameter and 100 sheets, these liners are waterproof, high-temperature resistant, and made from food-grade, colorless, and odorless materials. The whole design ensures even heat circulation, allowing food to cook thoroughly without compromising quality. By preventing direct contact between food and steamers or air fryers, these liners keep cooking utensils clean and maintain the original flavor and appearance of the food. Dr. Wow Scouring Sponges. Equipped with nano-carborundum sponge rub, these sponges offer strong decontamination, wear resistance, and effective rust removal. The inner layer consists of high-density sponge, while the outer layer features a nano-emery process for flexibility and rapid cleaning. When used wet with detergent, they effortlessly clean rust and oil stains from pot bottoms, restoring them to a like-new condition. EcoNu Blind Spot Car Mirror. Designed for safe driving, these mirrors provide a wider field of vision to reduce blind spots. With 360 degrees rotation and swivel mounting brackets, they allow for optimal viewing angles. Installation is simple, thanks to the strong 3M adhesive that ensures a secure fit. Made from durable, wear-resistant, and waterproof PVC, these mirrors are flexible and resilient, enhancing driving safety. Onoson Fish Scale Remover. Crafted from quality stainless steel and ABS plastic, these fish scaler brushes are durable, lightweight, and resistant to rust and wear. They efficiently remove stubborn scales, making fish preparation quick and safe. The serrated edge teeth ensure clean scale removal, and one brush includes a built-in bottle opener for added functionality. Ergonomic non-slip handles provide comfortable grip, making them a practical kitchen tool. Phantom Oil Separator. This multipurpose stainless steel spoon not only serves as a traditional ladle but also effectively separates fat from soup. Made from high-quality 304 food-grade stainless steel, it features an ergonomic handle and one-piece molding for durability. The design leverages the principle that oil floats above water, allowing clear soup to flow out from a lower hole, promoting healthier eating. It's also easy to clean and dishwasher safe. PEMO Tech Car Window Shades. Upgraded with high elastic spandex material, these car window shades are soft, wrinkle-resistant, and durable. They provide 97% UV protection and full coverage to shield passengers from heat and insects. The breathable double-layer mesh allows windows to roll up and down normally, maintaining cabin comfort. Additionally, they offer privacy by making it difficult to see inside the car from the outside. Toe Toppers Half Socks. Made from premium cotton polyester fabric, these toe topper socks are soft, breathable, and elastic, ensuring all-day comfort. The one-size design with elastic opening fits most women's forefeet. Featuring a gel gripper bottom in the shape of cute flowers, they provide a non-slip grip without discomfort. The seamless design and elastic cuff ensure a snug fit, making them ideal for various footwear. Loyal Tiger Furniture Lifter. This furniture dolly mover set includes 5.4 x 5.4 inch 5-wheel carts, a pry bar with lock, heightening spacers, anti-slip pads, safety gloves, and a storage bag. Constructed from thickened carbon steel, the carts are durable and feature widened silent rubber wheels that protect floors. The design includes a fifth wheel for increased load-bearing capacity and lock switches for stability, making furniture moving effortless. Moss & Stone Electric Crepe Maker. With a non-stick coated 8-inch plate, this electric crepe maker allows for quick and easy preparation of crepes, tortillas, and more. It heats up in 20 seconds and features an automatic temperature controller to prevent burning. The one-press on-off switch and long-handle design offer convenience and safety. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for creating restaurant-style crepes at home. Vastland Jar Opener. Constructed from rust-resistant stainless steel with a solid plastic handle, this jar opener is sturdy and durable. Its adjustable design fits lids between 1 inch to 3.7 in diameter, making it versatile for various jars. Ideal for individuals with weak or arthritic hands, it provides an effortless way to open stubborn lids. Compact and simple in design, it's easy to store and perfect for everyday use. Fur Art Wallet. Featuring 15 card slots within a compact 4.1 inch by 3.0 inch by 1.1 inch frame, this wallet offers ample space for credit cards and cash. Its dual-layer RFID blocking material safeguards your information from unauthorized scans. Designed with a wear-resistant exterior and available in multiple colors, it includes an extra keychain for added convenience. Ideal for shopping or travel, the wallet combines functionality with portability, ensuring your essentials are organized and protected wherever you go. Joyhill Water Bottle Dispenser. Equipped with a water pump compatible with 3 and 5 gallon bottles, this dispenser is easy to install and use. Constructed from food-grade silicone, 304 stainless steel, and high-density ABS plastic, it ensures safety and durability. The electric pump fits gallon barrels with a 2.16-inch neck, accommodating various models without needing to pry the lid. With a simple one-button operation, it's user-friendly for all ages, making it perfect for home, kitchen, or office use. Ohayu's double-sided tape. Boasting high adhesive strength, this nano tape features densely packed micropores, offering 300% more stickiness than ordinary tape. Measuring 10 feet in length, 0.8 inches in width, and 0.08 inches in thickness, it holds up to 3 pounds. The transparent design replaces screws and nails without damaging surfaces. Easily cut to desired lengths, it adheres with minimal pressure and removes cleanly without residue, making it ideal for various household applications. Kids Cube Hair Salon Toys. Designed as an automatic hair braiding machine tool, this innovative toy simplifies hairstyling for young girls. It encourages creativity and enhances hand-eye coordination by allowing kids to design their hairstyles. Made from child-friendly, non-toxic materials, it's safe for all hair types, straight, curly, long, or short. Perfect as a Christmas or birthday gift, this hair salon toy offers an interactive way for children aged 5 to 12 to explore beauty and style. Fabonix Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Machine. Utilizing high-energy ion purification technology, this fruit and vegetable cleaning machine effectively removes residues and dirt from various foods without chemicals, preserving nutritional value. Suitable for fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, grains, and tableware, it operates by placing it in 3 to 5 liters of water for 10 minutes. The top cover is removable for easy cleaning. Compatible with tap or filtered water, it enhances food safety and extends freshness, making it a valuable kitchen companion. Lamicall Foldable Phone Stand. Featuring height and angle adjustability, this universal phone stand extends up to 3.2 inches, providing comfortable viewing angles and reducing neck strain. Compatible with phones up to 0.71 inches thick, it includes anti-slip silicone mats to prevent sliding and scratching. Its bifolding design allows for easy portability, fitting into handbags or backpacks. Constructed with a weighted metal base and durable materials, it ensures stability and longevity, making it an essential desktop accessory. Hattisan Disposable Soap Sheets. Crafted from natural, biodegradable materials with pure plant extracts, these pocket-sized disposable soap sheets are safe and eco-friendly. To use, simply wet a sheet with a small amount of water, rub to produce foam, and wash hands. Ideal for travel, camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity, they offer a convenient hand-washing solution. Compact and lightweight, they fit easily into bags, ensuring cleanliness is always within reach without the need for traditional soap. Tukey Toilet Paper Holder. Designed with strong bearing capacity, this toilet paper holder ensures stability and durability. Its adhesive wall-mounted installation requires no tools, offering a hassle-free setup. Made from rust-resistant materials, it withstands humid bathroom environments. The holder includes a visible door for easy roll replacement and a drawer for storing personal care items. Enhancing both functionality and aesthetics, it keeps spare toilet paper and essentials within easy reach, optimizing bathroom organization. Broom by Silicone Broom. Incorporating patented quad-blade technology, this silicone broom generates static electricity to attract hair and fine dust, efficiently cleaning various surfaces. Its versatility allows it to sweep up broken glass, liquid spills, pet hair, and more. Suitable for smooth floors, tiles, hardwood, carpets, and windows, it reaches tight corners and under furniture. Washable and hygienic, it maintains cleanliness without dirty bristles. Lightweight yet durable, it's constructed to last, offering an effective cleaning solution. Kraus Dish Drying Rack. Constructed from solid stainless steel, this dish drying rack is designed for use with workstation kitchen sinks, allowing dishes to dry over the sink and keeping countertops clutter-free. Measuring 17 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 4 inches in height, it holds up to 50 pounds without bending. The removable utensil holder doubles as a kitchen caddy. With a wear-resistant chrome finish and dishwasher-safe design, it ensures durability and easy maintenance. Who says upgrading your home has to break the bank? These 20 must-have budget-friendly Amazon gadgets prove that a smarter, more stylish living space is just a few clicks away. From clever tools to space-saving solutions, these finds are perfect for giving your home an instant boost without draining your wallet. Want to snag these awesome gadgets at the best prices? Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest deals. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow home enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.